Hello there, this is gonna be a quick tutorial, and to save your time I have already taken a screenshot of the nodes that I have used in this video. By using these nodes you can get the desired result as shown in the video. So when you open the world from your shading editor, it looks somewhat like this. It have two nodes, one is of background, one is of world output. So what we have to do now is create stars. So what color are the stars of? They are of white, right? And we need animation, they reflect light, so we are gonna create an emission node. Let's plug it to the surface. It looks quite bad, but that's not the thing. We need more few nodes now, such as the color ramp. We have got a color ramp, and now we need a noise texture, or maybe water noise texture. It depends what you like. So right now I'm gonna increase its scale very high, maybe somewhat this, and I'll play with color ramp a little bit. Maybe increase the detail, distortion. Okay, the distortion are the random seeds. It gives random result. Let's increase its strength by 5000. I'm gonna increase its strength somewhat more, around like 20,000. Yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna decrease the stars a little bit. Maybe this much is okay. Yeah, it will work somewhat like this. Yeah, it's good for me, I mean. So what we need to do now is we have to make those stars twinkle, and to do that we will need to create a mask so that the stars will randomly twinkle. Like, it won't follow other twinkling stars, it will twinkle on its own. So let's create a mask. To create it we need a color ramp, mix shader. We are gonna plug it in right here, and now we need again a noise texture. The color will go to the factor value right here, and now we will add some texture coordinates here, I mean texture map here. So press Ctrl+T to do that thing. There we go. By the way, it won't work if you don't have the Node Wrangler add-on turned on. So to turn on the Node Wrangler add-on, just go into the preferences, add-ons, and type here Node Wrangler. Here we go. Just turn it on. I'll add some mapping nodes to the noise texture too. Ctrl+T. There we go. By this mapping node you can actually animate the stars going up and down. You can animate its rotation or anything as you want. So the main thing here is that we need to create a mask so that our stars can twinkle. Our mask somewhat now looks like this. So we have to adjust the sliders. I'll put white to the left and black to the right. Okay, it looks good now. Yeah, this will work for me. Maybe some, okay, I'll increase the scale a little bit. Okay, this will work. I'll turn the black color to somewhat gray because Stars don't actually like disappear, they twinkle. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, I'll make it gray. It's on you though, how you want it to work. Now I'll again take this thing and plug it to the factor value here and shade it to the surface. Now all we have to do to animate the twinkling of the stars is to animate the rotation or the location of this mapping node right here of our mask. So to do that thing, first I'm gonna open a timeline right here. We have a timeline right here, and to see our animations of the node, first you actually have to click on the node and then you can animate it. I'm gonna animate its location by X, insert keyframes, and somewhat 20. Yeah, that will work for me. And now I will select all of the keyframes right here, and I'm gonna right click on it and set it as an linear. Okay, you won't be able to see the result in the viewport directly. For that you actually have to render your entire animation to view the results. And for more details, you can actually kind of even animate the stars going up and down. And to do that, just add keyframes right here and animate it. There we go. Let me render it. Yeah. And that's how you create stars in Blender. To give more detail to it, just enable the bloom right here. It does like a lot of work. So thank you guys for watching this lame tutorial video. I hope you have learned something new, even it was not a very good tutorial, but I hope you have learned something new today. See ya.